last 10 years, something amazing has happened. India, 1/6 of humanity, has experienced unprecedented economic upsurge. The economy has traversed against air pockets, difficult terrain, from being at number 11 and being amongst fragile 5 to be 4th global economy, on way to becoming 3rd. Infrastructural development has been phenomenal, unimaginable. People-centric policies have resulted in electricity, toilet, gas connection, internet in every household, educational facility and health facility available virtually next door. Connectivity in all facets has been high speed, high efficiency, and time has been reduced. Our economy during this period, the rise has been the topmost amongst large economies. The development witnessed during last decade is unmatched. The growth has been more than 65%, where other large economies are struggling. This has made India the most aspirational nation in the world. Our youth have to realize that opportunities lie beyond government jobs. They must look for new opportunities. Blue economy, space economy, and the kind. But Delhi in particular, where we had G20, the world acclaimed us, accoladed us. Very high benchmark. But Delhi is capital of Bharat. And what I see around here, the work done by the Lieutenant Governor, Vinay Saxena, is a game-changing work. People of Delhi will remember it forever, that his efforts are bearing fruits, and Delhi is being provided with new lungs, new power, because that was a big challenge. And I am sure more and more Delhi people will enjoy the scenic beauty, the eco-friendly beauty, the vegetation, flowers in thousands, varieties. And this is going to be amazing. I am sure the riverfront will match the best in the world. And I have no doubt, once it is fully developed, it will be global attraction. I have seen all over the world that lungs are necessary. The Central Park in Manhattan makes Manhattan what it is today. This is a great work done by him. And I am so happy the progress is fast, the progress is remarkable, and once it gets into the final shape, it will have footfalls in lakhs every day. And that will constitute a great situation for Delhi. You may ask some questions.
Sir, you have also...
It is captivating, exhilarating, enthralling. And did you see the iconic statue? Amazing. The Lieutenant Governor has put in a lot of effort to make it what it is. This Vatika coupled with this will be the main attraction for Delhi and outside also. It will be a great tourist attraction. Right from the beginning, Lieutenant Governor, if you look at the efforts he has made by traveling all over particularly to my home state also, to look for artifacts to make Delhi befitting a nation of 1.4 billion. Bharat, home to 1/6 of America. I therefore find it very हट जाइएगा फिर आ जाएगा चलो